Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and shine. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here, a PhD scholar. I'm going to present a very interesting and valuable topic: reproduction of viruses. Content list: introduction, history of virus, characteristics of virus, reproduction, classification of viruses, life cycle of reproduction, COVID-19 virus, symptoms and preventions. Introduction. Firstly, I want to tell you a brief introduction about viruses. Virus is a dead line between living and non-living things. It will only living when it is present in the living body, and it will act like a non-living organism when it is present in the environment or it is present in the non-living body. It is just like a dust particle, and you can say that it's required a living host for its reproduction and for its life cycle. A virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicate only inside the living organism. Viruses infect all life forms from animals, plants, and microorganisms, including bacteria and archaea. The name is derived from Latin words which means slimy liquid or poison. All true viruses contain nucleic acid and protein. Nucleic acid may be DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, or RNA, ribonucleic acid. Most viruses vary in diameter from 20 nanometer to 250 or 400 nanometer. The largest viruses measure about 500 nanometer in diameter, and their length may be 700 to 1000 in nanometer. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel. History of viruses. In 1892, a scientist performed an experiment and observed the viruses in tobacco plant. He filtered the liquid and he observed that infectious particles are present in filtered material, and then he observed that these filtered particles have viruses particle which have ability to infect or which have ability to cause infection. Characteristics of viruses. Viruses are non-living, non-cellular, contain protein coat called capsid. They have nucleic acid, for example DNA or RNA, and capable of reproducing only when inside a living host. Reproduction. Viruses cannot replicate on their own but rather depend on their host cell protein synthesis pathway to reproduce. This typically occurs by the viruses inserting its genetic material in the host cell and the protein to create viral replicates until the cell bursts from the high volume of new viral particles. Steps of viral replication. You can see here, number one is attachment of virus, then penetration, uncoating, replication, assembly, release. You can see here in the diagram the structure of bacteriophage: capsid, head, nucleic acid, for example DNA, collar, sheath, base plate, spike, tail fiber. Attachment. Attachment is the first step of reproduction in viruses. Viral protein on the capsid or phospholipid envelope interact with the specific receptor on the host cellular surface. This specificity determines the host range of the virus. In this, virus attach to the host surface body. Penetration. The process of attachment to the specific receptor can induce after it the virus have ability to inject his DNA to the host cell by penetrating its tail into the host. You can see here the logo of Botany channel. Try to share our channel with your friend and your other students as well as researcher for get valuable information related to your course outline and related to your botany subject. Almost all syllabus of botany paper A, B, C, D are available in this channel. Uncoating. The viral capsid is removed and degraded by viral enzyme or host enzyme releasing the viral genomic nucleic acid. You can see here in this picture. Replication. After the viral genome has been uncoated, transcription or translation of the viral genome is initiated. It is the stage of viral replication that differ greatly between DNA and RNA viruses and viruses with opposite nucleic acid polarity. This process of synthesis of viral protein and genome. Assembly. After the formation of genomic material and protein, it's have ability to assemble in a proper way. Virion release. After the assembly of virion, they have ability to release from the host cell and they can attack to the other host. You can see here in diagram, and as well as you can read this paragraph for getting more valuable information about virion release process. Two method of releases are uses in viruses, for example lysis or budding and lytic cycle. We will discuss in next slide inshallah. Classification of viruses. Types of viruses. There are some viruses, for example HIV, rabies virus, chickenpox, flu, coronavirus. Like our video, like our channel and share with your friends and other students. Types of viruses. A bacteriophage is a type of virus that infect bacteria. In fact, the word bacteriophage literally means bacteria eater because bacteriophage destroy their host cell. All bacteriophages are composed of nucleic acid molecules that is surrounded by protein structure. You can see here in diagram. Life cycle of bacteriophage. There are two most important and interesting life cycle of bacteriophage. For example, lytic cycle and lysogenic cycle. In lytic cycle, the virus have ability to attach the bacteria, insert or penetrate its material to the bacterial cell. Then after the using of host cell, virus have ability to produce its own protein and its own genetic material. After the completion of its complete body production, then have ability to release the from the cell, and it have ability to burst the host cell and release from the host cell to the environment. And in lysogenic cycle, the process will be same, but in this the virus unable to burst the host cell, it will remain to the host cell and multiply and divided with the host cell. It will not ability to burst the host cell in lysogenic cycle. It will remain inside the host cell and divide it. When the host cell will divide, the virus cell or viral genome is also divide. It was the little bit difference in lytic and lysogenic cycle which have I told you. Lytic and lysogenic cycle, you can see here virus attached to the bacteria, penetrate its material, multiply its material, assemble its material, and then release of cell to infect the other organism in lytic cycle. And you can observe in lysogenic cycle bacteria and viral interaction, viral attached to the bacteria and remain inside the bacteria cell as a part of bacteria body and divide with the cell of bacterial body. Currently known virus officially name have been announced for the virus responsible for COVID-19 or coronavirus disease COVID-19. Symptom of viruses: fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty in breathing, fatigue, muscle or body itching, headache, rash, sneezing, sore throats, etc. Prevention: wash your hands frequently. Don't share personal items. Cover your mouth when you are cough or sneeze. Be a smart traveler. Don't pick your nose or your mouth or eyes. Get vaccinated. Thank you so much to visit our channel, for your attention, for your concentration. Bundle of thanks to all of you. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.